been saying this. We need to stand 100% behind them and not let them down, because they do not let us down. They make sure your goods are sent all year round to your store so that you could purchase them. So let's stay tuned. Keep on sharing these videos. Keep on helping from where you're at. Let truckers know that we're gonna be here. So if they get motivated, or to come over here and join us, please have them come right in. They could IM me. You guys could share my information. They could contact me through my Facebook, and we will guide them in here and figure out parking places for them. So yeah, this is it. I know I haven't been on Facebook for a while. I do apologize. My throat is killing me from talking so much. But I promise that I will continue to post and share. And just wanted to give you guys a look how strong they're still standing. And this time around, they're not going to budge. We ended up walking all the way over here.
Yeah.
I don't know why I like that sound. It's so motivating, you know? It's like,
Yeah, we're talking so much.
fuck, you know? Like,
Don't lose your voice.
I'm an actual screamer. Where do you guys start? From that white truck? This is Oleg's through here.
We got more on the other side. You ain't transport on the other side.
When you see this, okay guys, so I think that's gonna be the last of that for tonight, because there's a certain hour that we need to stop. But tomorrow we should be waking up to more truck drivers by our side. So stay tuned, stay focused on supporting your drivers, and we will see you guys soon. I will be live soon. Thank you guys for your support. It's so much appreciated. We really need that support from everyone. Thank you.